Hi everyone, good morning, good evening, good afternoon, whatever time you're watching this. I just hope that you're having a great day. So firstly, I'd just like to say thanks to each and every one of you who decided to watch this video today, and a extra special thanks to the over 21,800 of you guys who decided to smash that subscribe button and support my dream of becoming a full-time YouTuber by the end of 2022. But enough of the chattings, I'm not ready for the video. Are you ready? Run me intro. Alright, so today we were invited to 36 Maryvale Avenue in Kingston by Antoinette Davis. She is a realtor with Keller Williams. Thank you, Antoinette, for inviting us out. And we're about to look at a brand new apartment complex that features one-bedroom units with 1,000 square feet starting at 35 million, two-bedroom units with 1,500 square feet starting at 45 million, and three-bedroom units starting at 75 million with 3,000 square feet. All right, and it is a new development, as I stated before. 20 spacious units. It has a open concept plan, porcelain tiles, walk-in closet, glass balcony, in-unit laundry, modern fixtures, quartz countertop, underground parking. And the underground parking, I think the ground floor will be getting, the ground floor, which has the one-bedroom units, I think will be getting one parking space, and the two-bedroom and three-bedroom units will be getting two parking spaces. There is an elevator as well. There's a beautiful rooftop pool based on the pictures that I've seen. There's a gazebo area. Water tanks are there for each unit, and you get virtually a 360-degree view of Kingston when you're at the top on the rooftop terrace, which is where the pool is located as well. And the estimated completion date for this particular development is the end of October 2022, so it's soon done, people. I'm going to be showcasing all three units. I don't know if I can fit all three units into one long video, so I'll probably do the one bedroom and the two bedroom in one video, and then the three bedroom in a video on its own. But if not, and you're watching everything one time, then I just say it go. Alright, but let's jump into the video now, and I'll show you guys what the one bedroom has to offer. Alright, Akeem out. Alright, so this is the one bedroom. They have 1,000 square feet and they start at 35 million. So you have an intercom system right there that you can let somebody in, or you can call them in gate. This is your in-unit laundry right to your left as you enter. And it is a big in-unit laundry, lighting facility, ventilation right there. And you definitely can fit a washer, a dryer, and a tub, of course, inside here. Really nice tiling work. So I forgot to show this powder room, but there is a powder room here, or a half bath, depending on what you want to call it. Let's see. And the light actually works. Ventilation, of course, your toilet. Yeah, back into the video now. To your right is your kitchen, and let me just back out so you can see how spacious your kitchen actually is. So your kitchen is very spacious, and you have lots of upper and lower cabinetry. Pretty nice. Electric stove. You have your stainless steel sink. Lots of power outlets, so you can plug in your microwave, your NutriBullets, your this, your that, and a space is here for your refrigerator. I really like the kitchen, the dark wood, and the Galaxy quartz. The Galaxy quartz looks like Galaxy gray countertop. So that is your kitchen, and then this is your open concept living and dining. As you can see, there's still some things being done inside this space, but it's expected to be completed by the end of October. And outside here, alright, so this is closed, so I can't get outside, but outside here is your little patio space, as we are on the ground floor. And then you have a wraparound common area that the ground floor units will have access to. And then of course this place is wired for air conditioning right there. and you don't know the vibes, you don't know which air conditioning units I prefer already. Power outlet there, power outlet right here. And just so you know, based on my viewing of homes, 1,000 square feet for a 1-bedroom is pretty spacious. So as you can see, this is the 1-bedroom, and it is a large 1-bedroom space, very large. Again, rigged for air conditioning. You have 2 power outlets right there. You have one there, another one there, another one there, another one there, and 2 more here. You have crown molding going all along the walls inside this space as well, and this nice textured wall. Somebody can comment and let me know the type of finish. I don't know if it's Troilon. I don't know if Troilon is done on the inside of homes. You have these nice large porcelain tiles. Pretty nice, pretty nice. And then this is your closet. This closet is bigger than some of the 1-bedrooms being sold in Kingston, if I am being honest. So I really like this closet space. You have shelving up there, right here. Large, very large closet. And then you have additional storage coming all the way down here. Alright? Then you have your single vanity, your toilet, standing shower. Pretty nice, pretty nice. Boom. You have a shower cubby, and you have your window to let out the steam when you're bathing in your hot water. So we're going to jump to the 2-bedroom, 2.5 bath now. Alright? So that's it for the 1-bedroom. Okay, so this is the 2-bed, 2.5 bath. Let's start to our left. So to our left is a nice powder room, nice size. You have your window over here, nice touch. And this little space over here, you can probably even convert it into some form of semi-permanent storage. Again, you have the molding, high ceilings, pretty nice. Let's go to our right, and you have the bedroom right here. Very spacious bedroom, and these 2.5 bathroom 2-bedroom units start at 45 million, and they are 1,500 square feet. You have a power outlet here, and guess what? I'm not saying anything more. You have this nice window right here, and then this particular unit has this private outdoor space. So if you get this unit, you're very much in luck. You have your own private entertainment area. Window right here, a window right here. Have a boss outside, get paid daily. Big him up. You can check out his YouTube channel. He does finance content and also some real estate content as well. So you have your closet over there, and it's just a really nice, spacious 2nd bedroom. So this is the bathroom for that 2nd bedroom. Pretty nice, single vanity, nice tiles on the wall, nice lighting, toilet. Let me back out so you can see what's going on. Turn off that light. That one was strobing. You can see what's going on. Glass enclosure, pretty nice. I like the floor work, shower cubby. I'll give you a close up on the finishes. Yeah, water runs out there. So that's it for the secondary bathroom and bedroom. And you have these glass cutouts in front of the doors going into the bedroom. and the bathrooms as well, as you can see right there. So this would be your living, kitchen and dining area right here. So very spacious dining, very spacious kitchen, and you have your cutout for your refrigerator, cutout for your stove. This looks like a cutout for a washer, a dishwasher, stainless steel sink, double bowl, Antoinette with the nice touches, nice candle, and then there is water and snacks here. Big up Antoinette for inviting me out. You can subscribe to her YouTube channel as well. I'll put the link to that in the video right now. Alright, I'm gonna take two of them now. Antoinette will realize when she watches this video. And let me know if you're a Jamaican, if you remember this thing right here when you were a kid. Definitely a childhood favorite of Jamaicans. Snag one of those as well. So yeah, that's the kitchen and the dining space, right? So let me turn around and show you the living room area. This is Antoinette's thing. Come closer to her barcode so you can scan it and reach out to her. And she have everything, people. You get hand sanitizer when you come to a Antoinette open house. Pretty nice, pretty nice. Should we go outside? Yeah, let's go on the outside. I'm not sure if the units come air conditioned or it's just because this is the model unit why there is air conditioning in it. I'll confirm that and put it in the video. So this is the outdoor space I was talking about that only you who gets this unit will have access to, because there's no access point to get here from any one of the other units. All right. Wow. Outside is a bit warm, but inside well windy. So you have an additional storage closet right here and additional storage up top, and you guessed it, this is your in-unit laundry, a very spacious in-unit laundry, and it's already wired for hot water. You can have your washer and dryer, it doesn't have to be stackable inside here, and your tub fits, ventilation, and there is drainage as well. This particular development is also has a garbage chute, so you don't have to carry your garbage all the way downstairs. It will drop right into the garbage chute from any floor that you're on. And the garbage chute is designed in a way where it is away from the homes in a sense, or away from the units in a sense, so you won't get that smelly garbage scent. So this is the primary bedroom, or master as some people call it. So this is the wraparound balcony or common space that will wrap all the way around to the one bedroom unit that I had showcased. But this is the area I'm telling you is for you only that gets this unit, and the bedroom is massive. It is a very large bedroom, and what I do know that what you see in the bathroom actually comes with the unit. So anything you see inside here comes with the unit. Nice touches by Antoinette again. Don't forget, guys, to hit that subscribe button and like this video. Alright, so we have these nice dark wood finishes, double vanity, dual mirrors. The toilet is over here. You get a jacuzzi, very nice. Looks like it seats about 3. Nice windows. And then let's step on inside your beautiful walk-in shower. You can sit right here, shower cubby. You have your window right there. Let me just give you a close-up on the finishes so you guys see what you're getting. And again, as I said, the 2-bed, 2.5 baths start at 45 million. And they are 1,500 square feet. They're very nice. Very, very nice. So, we're going to head on upstairs now and check out the 3-bedroom units and the pool. Alright? Or maybe I'll cut this video here. If I'm cutting this video here, don't forget that the goal is to live life on your own terms. And that is what I'm trying to do by the end of 2022. And all you have to do to help me is to hit that subscribe button and turn your post notifications on. And like this video if you actually like it. But that has been enough from me. AB signing out.